Hi guys, it's Misha Joyce. I'm a Brazilian Gaelic singer. Today I come to bring some comparisons between Scotland and Brazil and Scotland. In fact, I'm going to talk about some similarities or coincidences that exist in my city called Curitiba. Think about it sometimes here in Brazil. It seems like there are several cultures with one culture. Because here in Brazil, there are several different cultures. Portuguese in Brazil is a little difficult to learn because culturally, dialects in each region of the country. But here, where I live, the city of Curitiba is one of the most European cities I know. It has its peculiarities and familiarities, but I say that it's going to show us something in common with Scotland, right? Just like Scotland, we also have a mascot animal that represents your country. The animal that represents Brazil is the pumacal. Here in Brazil, we say arara azul, which is the mascot animal of my hometown of Curitiba, and this mascot is called capybara. Oh, so cool! It's very famous here in the city. There are even capybara shirts and dolls. The Highland is a Scottish breed of hard cattle from the Scottish Highlanders that has long horns and a long shaggy coat. It is a hard breed, capable of withstanding the harsh condition of the region of the Scottish Highlanders. It's also honored with dolls, shirts, and other things that I may not yet know about. So what did you think of these mascots? Scotland and Curitiba, Brazil. Thanks for all. Follow me here on social media. Bye!